me to do that, let me open the window for you. Manoli?
Eh?
Let me open the window for you.
Ah, okay.
Just pull it like that. So you can get a better view. You can even walk right past them. They don't run away, they just walk past you. They don't run.